Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So this morning I've literally been sat replying to comments, I think for about 2.5 hours. I was catching up on all the comments, especially because I had so many on my giveaway post so far. If you haven't entered my giveaway, I'll keep it linked down below every single vlog until it's closed. Thought I'd vlog today because it's Sunday, I finally have a day off work and we're having like a little family gathering at my nan's. I'm not really sure how much I'm going to film because obviously not everyone's comfortable being on camera, but I will try and film a little bit if I can. We are kind of like hosting it at my nan's because my nan's a lot bigger and it's easy for everyone to get to and everything, and she doesn't live far away at all. We're doing it for Anya, which is my boyfriend's mum. 50th, it was her 50th on Friday. We went out for a nice meal. I went with one of Aiden's brothers, his dad and his mum, because Aiden's still at uni, and then Anya went to see Aiden in London yesterday. So today we thought to celebrate her 50th, me and my family are like hosting this little party, get together thing at my nan's. It's nothing extravagant. We are keeping it a bit low key. We're just having a little nice family gathering. The football's on. My dad's made loads of food. My dad's really good at cooking. You know, my dad's really good at cooking, so he's made lots of different like dishes and stuff. I think Aiden's brother, one of Aiden's brothers, is coming round as well. I'm gonna go pick them up so they can actually have a drink whilst they're there and don't have to drive back later. And it should be a really nice day. I'm just sort of like getting ready now. I'm wearing my new necklace. I've had a few questions on this. It's from Boho Moon. It's their initial necklace. I'll leave their link down below as well. My top is Primark. Like I said, everything is now linked on my 21 Buttons account, which you can go follow me on. It's literally Scarlet Slippers blog, the exact same as my Instagram. And then my jeans, I'm wearing these jeans that were in my try on haul from Primark. So I'm pretty much wearing all Primark today. Other thing, I uploaded a blog post the other day and I thought it would be so helpful for you guys to see it. Again, I'll link it down below. I have compiled 25 of my most popular like uni related videos and whacked them all in a blog post. So the post is sort of like for those who are new, it's easy to find like all of my popular videos and all the videos you probably want to see about uni. In between all of my uni vlogs. So I have things like my moving day tips, freshers Q&A, freshers week experience, all my freshers vlogs, videos about university living costs, bathroom essentials, bedroom essentials, a kitchen tour, a library tour, all these different things. I've all linked onto the post. It's easy to see. I thought I'd do this because on my giveaway video, people comment in video ideas that I'd already done, and obviously that's fine. Like, I don't blame you if you haven't seen it, because there are some new people here and they might not know that I've already got those videos amongst all of my other ones that I've created. So, oh, and I might do another one in the future if you think I should do another like top 20 uni videos to watch or whatever. So yeah, I hope that's helped for any of you that were struggling to find like the popular uni videos, and I hope that they've answered your questions. Anyway, I just thought I'd do a little update. I'm just about to do my makeup, just doing a bit of skincare first, and then I'm going to get into my makeup. I'm not doing anything fancy because I can't be asked, to be honest. Yeah, my hair's still wet from the shower because it takes apparently 7 years for my hair to dry if I don't use a hairdryer, but I just hate using it when it's like this hot. It just makes me really hot and it damages my hair, so I avoid it as much as I can. Let me just put these up a little bit so you can hear me better. Yeah, I've just dropped my brother and my mum at my nan's, and now I'm off to go get Anya and Louis. Basically. Okay, I just drove past my auntie. I'm just going to get them now because they're like, Aiden's mum's just moved to a new house in like a town nearby, and I'm just going to go pick them up so they can have a drink whilst they're here and enjoy themselves. So yeah, that would be lovely, and I think my mum's offered to drop them back later so I can actually have a drink whilst we're having a little sort of get together party that's not really a party. It's really nice though, the day is amazing. I think it's 22 degrees. Fucking hell, it had a little malfunction then. 22 degrees at the minute, which is insane, but loving life. Apparently this next week is going to be so hot, and apparently July is going to be like the hottest month. So next week, the last week of June, I'm working pretty much every single day, which is so shit. Everyone's fucking everyone in town is celebrating because England's just won the game against Panama. I don't know what the end score was, but last time I checked it was like 6-0, so they were doing amazing. Sorry, I got a bit distracted then. Yes, so like last week of June I'm working every single day pretty much, which is so shit, and it's going to be like the hottest week, and apparently July is going to be the hottest month. So yeah, I am looking forward to it, and I'm glad that there's going to be some nice weather for when people finish exams, especially all the A-level students. Praying for you guys. God, it's a bit of a tight gap.
Put it new data protection laws.
Huh? No, but just everything's moving. You're gonna get out there and you're gonna just feel. Wait, oh god.
You can't do anything.
You got it on number 18, you got it on number 18. What's number 18? What's 18?
Oh my god, my whole body's just pulsating.
You're completely strapped in there.
That's to relieve fatigue. That's to relieve fatigue.
Yeah, pretend I'm real. I better have some of that though. You've been on it, Dave? No, it's next.
No.
You're next, right, you've got
You need to try these. Yeah.
Who's got to come back to try those?
So we're all currently at Nans. Everyone's round. I haven't really vlogged much because we've been having some food. Like pretty much when we got here we had some food, and then we used this weird thing that you'll have seen clips. I basically use this, which is a circulation ultra. So it's good for like loads of different things. So depending on like the mode and like where you can put patches on, and then you put like your feet on the machine. There are like different modes you can put it on to like help with like different things. So for example, there was stuff to help you if you've got a headache, if you've got hypertension, if you've got a stomach ache, if you want to slim, if you've got insomnia, fatigue, relieving stress, and loads of different things like that. So it's actually really helpful. And we were just all trying it and like amping it up, and it felt horrible. It felt horrible when it got to really high levels. The telly's so loud, I'm really sorry. But yeah, I'll try and film some more of the evening. It's really nice outside, so we're all just chilling out there and chatting at the minute. And I'm just about to have dessert, so really nice day, really relaxing day, and it's been nice to spend the time with family. Yay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey?
I love the item.
Yeah.
So I'm actually home from my nan's now. We've just sort of had a really nice like family day. Didn't really vlog too much like I said in the last clip because we've just sort of been chatting and eating. So nothing too exciting, but it has been really lovely. It's been so hot and the evening was great. I just thought I'd have a bit of a chat with you because I've got a few parcels that have come over the last few days when I haven't been vlogging, and I thought I'd share them with you. So first is from this brand. I think they're new. They're being sold in Superdrug and they're called Australis. So basically Australia but with an S instead of an A. They just sent this little card. It's 2 of their tanning mousses. Well, I think they're tanning foams. So basically the same thing. And they've actually got 4 from their range. They're all ultimate dark shades. So the tanning is really dark. However, they are, it says on this little card that they are perfect dark tans tailored to your skin tone, which is something I've never heard any tanning brand do before. So they've sent over this because obviously I'm light skinned, so for fair skin tones this has an ash base giving me a dark cool brown tan. So I'm really excited to try these out and see like how the different tones work. And then this one, which is really good because of my dry skin, it has marula oil in, which just says superior hydration. So this should hopefully help my dry patches, because on my skin, I don't know if you can see, you probably won't be able to tell on camera, but when I fake tan, oh yeah, you can a little bit. When I fake tan, I have little white patches because I'm not sure if I have eczema or some sort of little condition where I get little dry patches on my shoulders and arms. Hopefully this will help make my tan less patchy. And then they've kindly sent over one of their double-sided application mitts. It says high quality microfiber for a flawless finish, double insulation, preventing hands from staining, which is ideal because, like I said, my hands always go dodgy. Look, product always goes through the mitt and messes up my hand, making me look like an absolute mess, especially when I'm working and like guests are seeing my hands like this. It's not very good. It says it's reusable and washable, it's double-sided, and you can use with any self-tan, so I'm really excited about this. Thank you very much to Australis for sending these over. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and I'm very excited because you guys know how much I'm loving fake tan this year. And then other products I've got sent are from a skincare brand that I've actually worked before called Ria Rosa Mosquita. this is how you spell it, in case anyone's wondering. I will leave down these websites below in case you're interested. These are the products that they actually sell. However, I got to choose 3 products that I liked, and these are the ones that I chose. So this is a 30ml intensive night treatment, which repairs, hydrates and nourishes. Then we have a cream cleanser. Like I said, I have dry skin, and it has the rosehip oil, shea butter, the babasu, avocado and aloe vera, a skin brightening exfoliator. Same products, but we've got golden bamboo, which is exciting. And then they've also sent little samples of some of their other products, like the body butter, so I get to try a little bit of that, the firming serum, the anti-aging day and night cream, and then the antioxidant facial oil. So very excited to try out all of those, and I really loved their rosehip seed oil, so I'm super excited to try these out as well, because honestly this I'll leave the post that I wrote about their rosehip seed oil, because honestly it has done wonders for my dry skin, and if any of you are suffering with that, then I'd highly recommend checking them out. But yeah, that's my little blogger maily bits. But before I take my makeup off and go to sleep, I also thought I would mention I have lots of videos coming up over this week. I am working a lot, like I was talking about earlier, but tomorrow I'm going to be filming a university UCAS application video that should be up tomorrow. Tomorrow when you're seeing this, so on Tuesday, fingers crossed, I've got it all exported and edited and all that stuff. I can get it up on Tuesday. I also want to upload a university preparation over summer video that's coming up this week, so they should be the other uploads apart from my vlogs going up this week. I thought, because I'm gonna obviously have a lack of vlogs because I'm working 5 days in a row, I thought I would get out some like sit down videos that are going to help you guys out for uni, and I'm really excited to sit down and film because I feel like I haven't sat down and had a nice chatty uni video in a while. Also, I've got loads of forms over here. I'm going to vlog tomorrow as well. Them forms, man. I've got these forms to fill out. Right, so no one really talks about this side of uni, like when you come home during this period in between years and you have to have like a temporary, you have to go back to your doctors, but you're only allowed to fill out like temporary forms. You can't actually go back to your doctors and be a permanent member, because obviously you're now registered with your new doctors at uni, so it's all of a bit of a nightmare. I managed to get my prescription for my pills, which is good. However, my orthodontist and all appointments and stuff, now that I'm over 18, they're trying to like make me pay even though I'm a student, and you're not really supposed to pay if you're a student. So I've had to fill out all of these forms, like NHS application forms, send them off. They send more back. Like the first booklet that came took me an hour to complete with that much information. Had to write all my bank details, like loads of different things about uni, and now I have to send off loads of forms to do with my student loan and my bursaries to ensure that I can get money back. It's just a massive nightmare. So I've got those to fill out tomorrow, and it's just a shame that not really many people talk about that, because I wasn't prepared for this whole like drama when I came home. So yeah, I feel sorry for you if you do have like prescriptions like me, or I definitely recommend if you remember, by the time you get to the end of first year, go to your doctors and get whatever you need prescribed and ready, so you have it over the entire summer before you go back, because honestly that was a massive stress, and then this dentist stuff is, the dentist and orthodontist stuff is just a massive joke. Anyway, enough of me rambling. Apologies for the makeup, it's half fallen off. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I hope it has been somewhat entertaining. Hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video or vlog. Who knows what order I'm going to put it in, but basically this week you should be getting another vlog and 2 sit down videos talking about uni. So I hope you like that, and I'll try and fit in some more if I can. Bye!